For today, we're going to talk about affirmations for letting go of regret. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay to the end for our motivational quote. I am regret-free. I can release regrets. I forgive myself. People support my progress. Every day I regret less. Today I move forward. I am forgiving. I let go completely. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.